If your child is still in summer mode when the school year is right around the corner, late nights, sleeping in, no real schedule, you're not alone. For students with ADHD or executive functioning challenges, that shift back to school can feel like hitting a brick wall. But here's the good news. With the right warm-up, you can make the transition smoother and set them up for success. Hi, I'm Kate from StudySense, where we help students build real-world skills in organization, time management, and self-advocacy without the cookie-cutter approach. Today, I'm going to share 3 simple steps to help your child move from summer mode to school mode and actually make the routines stick. Step 1, reset sleep gradually. One of the hardest changes, waking up early again. If your child has been sleeping in all summer, the first week of school can feel like jet lag. Instead of flipping the switch the night before school starts, start 2 to 3 weeks ahead. Move bedtime earlier by 15 minutes. Every few wake them up 15 minutes earlier each morning until you hit the school schedule. Get sunlight in the first few hours of waking. Limit screens an hour before bed to help melatonin kick in. Even if you don't hit the exact schedule, getting close will make mornings much easier. Step 2, rebuild structure with a practice week. Summer's freedom can throw off time awareness, so reintroduce a predictable daily rhythm without making it feel like school has already started. Here's how. Daily anchors. Set 2 to 3 fixed times for activities, like breakfast at 8 a.m., lunch at 12:30. Short focus blocks. Add 20 to 30 minutes of reading, journaling, or math to warm up the brain. Organization practice. Set up the homework station, label supplies, or practice packing a backpack. These low-pressure habits get those executive functioning muscles moving again. Step 3, use visual routines. Mornings and evenings are prime time for executive functioning overload. Instead of repeating yourself like a broken record, post visual checklists so your child knows exactly what to do. Morning checklist examples are 1, wake up, 2, get dressed, 3, eat breakfast, 4, brush teeth, 5, pack backpack, 6, shoes on, ready for the bus. An evening checklist example is unpack backpack, check homework, lay out clothes for tomorrow, pack lunch or snacks, quiet activity before bed. Posting these lists builds independence and lowers stress for everyone. Why this works? This isn't just about enforcing rules. It's about closing a skills gap. You're fixing sleep before it becomes a crisis, bringing back structure before the first bell rings, reducing cognitive overload with visual routines. That way, your child starts the year feeling capable, not overwhelmed. If your family could use extra support creating routines that stick, StudySense is here to help. We work with students with ADHD, autism, and executive functioning challenges to build personalized strategies that actually work for their brain. No cookie-cutter plans, just real tools they can use for life. Book a free consultation and let's talk about how to make this school year the most confident one yet. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.